Fala pessoal, o que é assim nessa corrida? Quer dizer, comecei a gravar essa corrida aqui atrasada.
The grey mare on
fiz
the
uma
outside
análise
there, Sweet
aqui.
Veneta, followed by Marla Supreme in the other green jacket.
Cavalo.
The other grey on the inside, Celtic Flames, is held on to as they go towards the
Cavalo
first
Maia.
flight. And all jumps in well. So Horless in the leader from Baby Ticker with Marla Supreme, who get a pen, and then behind him Sweet Veneta. And the favourite at this stage, Richard Johnson, is in the last trio. Near Kettering is just ahead of that last trio. Champagne Chaser on the outside of Roar, and on the inside Celtic Flames. So down the hill they go. They got just another flight to take on this part of the track today. Horless in and Blair Campbell out in front from Baby Ticker and Callum Willans with on the inside then Brian Hughes on who get a pen and wider out to Marla Supreme as they take that next flight. All jumped in safely. Sweet Veneta just chasing these leaders. And near Kettering behind that one as they turn left-handed and make their way up the hill now. The green cap next then, Champagne Chaser. Champion jockey here today, Richard Johnson. Keeping an eye on Brian Hughes, who's giving him a run for his money this season. On the inside then is Celtic Flame, and last of all is Marur as they come on up the hill towards the home straight, where they've got flight number 3 to take. Just the 8 flights in this race today, normally 10.
Se o cara opera sem assistir a corrida,
as they come up
bem tá à frente,
towards the last flight on the circuit. Haulers in on the inside of Baby Ticker. An extravagant leap and a bad mistake there by Champagne Chaser. And Richard Johnson at the buckle end there for a second. He's still in the race though, very much in contention. And the field only separated by about 5 lengths then as they come past the judge with a circuit to go here. So Horless in, Baby Ticker, Marla Supreme. Get a pen on the inside in the
acho que eu vou fazer esse vídeo, não vou fazer entrada não. Vou fazer esse vídeo mesmo. Se aparecer a oportunidade, eu entro aqui no mais.
Near Kettering, Champagne Chaser, Roar, and Celtic Flames as they go towards the 4th flight. 2 flights away from the grandstand. Champagne Chaser jumped that much more fluently than he had done at the previous obstacle. And they go up the hill now towards the 5th flight. So Horless in, who's been off the track a long time, jumped that beautifully though. And again, Champagne Chaser made an error there and wasn't convincing at all. Making their way then towards the point where they turn left-handed now and head up the hill towards their starting point here. Horless in, who's not been on the track since April of last year, takes the field along. Baby Ticker is racing in 2nd place. And then Ungeta Pen, who's also been away for a long time, over 600 days as well. Racing in 3rd place, followed then by Marla Supreme, just being niggled along now, Marla Supreme, near Kettering behind that one, Sweet Veneta, being asked to pick up these leaders as well, as they head down the back straight for the final time. Champagne Chaser making up a little bit of ground on the outside there, he's in the green cap, red jacket and green cap, and at the back of the field Marur just being pushed along, struggling to keep tabs with the leaders as they cross over the next flight of hurdles and watching them clear that safely. So the leading trio have opened up by about 5 or 6 lengths here. Horless in, who get a pen, and in the black colours, Baby Ticker, the other mare there, is racing in 2nd place, and as they freewheel down the hill, they're about 5 or 6 lengths clear of Celtic Flames near Kettering. And Champagne Chaser, having made up some ground now, is being ridden along towards the back of the field. So they're going down towards the next flight over on the far side of the course, and when they get there, of course, it'll be 2 from the finish. Horless in front still from Baby Ticker, 2 lengths opening up now to Ungeta Pen. And Celtic Flames is making up good ground there, but didn't jump that one with great fluency at the second last, but is still in 4th place as they race on up the hill. And then behind that one is near Kettering, and the others are well out of it. Champagne Chaser has been pulled up. Tough conditions here today. They're racing up the hill towards the final couple of furlongs here. 1 more flight to go, and Horless in has made every yard so far. and leads Baby Ticker with Celtic Flames back in third place now. They're racing up towards their final flight. Still a few yards before they get there, and it's getting pretty desperate now with Baby Ticker on the near side showing in front for the first time. From Horseracing and Celtic Flames, the two stable companions from Lucinda Russell on the inside. The final flight, Horseracing is battling back very bravely indeed. Baby Ticker on the near side. Horseracing and Blair Campbell. Baby Ticker and Callum Williams trying to get back up again, and is beginning to get up here on the near side. It's Baby Ticker. Oh, they're just going to get there. Yes, by about a head or so. Denies the returning Horseracing. A great run by her, and also in third from Celtic Flames.
Gosto de fazer a corrida e depois fazer a narração para vocês. Só fiz uma entrada, cara. Eu vou ter feito 3. Normalmente eu faço uma de 100 ou 3 de 20. 3, 4. Pronto, pessoal. A importância de assistir uma corrida. A importância da stream para vocês aqui. Beleza, pessoal? Hoje vai ser... Esse vídeo vai ser o vídeo do dia 11 do 12, esse é o vídeo de hoje. A importância da análise, que foi a análise, a importância da assistir a corrida. Já já a Betfair me paga. Beleza, pessoal? Um abraço a todos aí. Valeu!